Hi everybody. Today I'm creating a Hawaiian smoothie with mixed berries. So first of all, we add the orange juice. And the next step is to add the next ingredient, which is the pineapples. And here there's 150 grams of pineapples here. Pineapple slices, you put them here like this. And the next softest is the blueberries. This is 25 grams of blueberries, fresh. Come here. The next ingredients is this. Blackberries, 125 grams. They look like this. So you put them in here. And the next ingredients would be the bananas, along with the date. There are bananas here. And there's a date. You put it here. That's one date for the sweetness and the protein. And there's a handful of frozen strawberries in here. And there's no protein. This is chia seeds. This is two tablespoons of chia seeds. This is also not natural protein, plant based. Put them here. And add a bit of ice if you want. So add a little bit of ice. And very cold ingredient. Then you start blender. It'll take about 2 minutes to blend. This is before I start. This is the recipe for my Hawaiian mixed berry smoothie with pineapples and the oranges, as you can see, as a base. 2 minutes. And what I did was I put 125 grams of blackberries, fresh, 120 grams of blueberries, also fresh, and I put about 100 grams of frozen strawberries and 2 bananas, frozen, sliced and everything, and for sweetness I put 1 date and there's orange juice here for about 3 cups of orange juice as a base, and there's chia seeds. There's like two tablespoons of chia seeds. So that's it. And if you like so if you like my YouTube video, please subscribe. Thank you.